Link Engineering Metal Workshop in Cape Town. Services of Link Engineering: architectural fabrication, marine stainless steel repairs, steel furniture production, bespoke fabrication, classic car restoration. Architectural fabrication. Architectural fabrication is one of Link Engineering's specialities. This includes fabrication of stairs, balustrades, steel window surroundings, fireplaces, bar tops, or whatever the customer requests. Link Engineering makes custom pieces for each project's needs and requirements. We specialize in working with stainless steel. Link Engineering is proud to state that we have won awards for our work in this industry in 2016 and 2020 Steel Awards. Marine stainless steel repairs. Link Engineering also works in the marine metal work industry. We fabricate many different components for boats to marine standards. We also do repairs on broken components. Steel furniture production. Link Engineering has a great deal of pride for our steel furniture fabrication department. We mainly work with different steels, but can incorporate different materials. We also do custom designs for furniture and decorative pieces. We make our customers' unique ideas into reality. Bespoke fabrication. Link Engineering specializes in making the impossible possible. This means finding new and innovative ways of solving problems and producing products to award-winning finish. Classic car restoration. We have repaired many different classic and modern cars. Some of them are seen in the list below. We are also willing to take on any new challenges. Link Engineering Awards and Reviews. Link Engineering is proud to say that we have won awards for our work on the award-winning Treehouse Constantia in 2016 and our work on Holt Primary School in 2020. To find more information, please go to the link in the description, which will take you to our website. Thank you